Chain Market in Portland, Oregon. And there's a leprechaun.
Oh. You guys want to go on the Church of Scientology?
Where?
Right there, to the left. See that up there?
That lady's vlogging and yelling at them.
They'll take all your money and traffic your children. It's a scam. Scientology is a scam. It's a pyramid scheme. It's a Ponzi scheme. They'll take your money and traffic your children.
Getting this on video.
That was- Yeah, for me.
It's cash only. Do you have cash? I told them
Thing,
not to walk too fast.
whatever that is. It's like a boat with wheels and a hammock.
Ooh, let's sample some mimosa. They have free samples of mimosa.
Mimosa. I want samosa mimosa.
You like that?
Nerd, gamer, nerd stuff.
Yeah. Special as in they get paid.
Yeah, it's there.
Oh, ammonites. They're from the rock of the atmosphere. Like most ammonites.
Ashwagandha.
Oh yeah.
But then I was reading online it said
Nice. And Baghdad.
salt straw.
And I was gonna say, you could have a tiny little tea party.
Yeah. With tiny people. Just don't break it.
You break it, you buy it.
Yeah, you break it, you buy it.
Feel free to break anything. That place is called Babeland.
Babeland.
Babeland. You guys want a tarot reading? They must have purposely planted those at some point. He's like, I don't remember those.
No, they wouldn't be that big.
Well, not recently, as in like 6 months ago, but years ago, I don't. Yeah. Huh. Ghost pepper. One soap. Whoa, look at these moon soaps. Dragon's blood. Witch's brew. smell that one.
It's right here, yeah.
Let me smell.
Let me smell it.
Does it smell very sexy?
Oh yeah.
And it smells good.
So sexy.
Okay guys, we're here in the Saturday market in Portland, Oregon. Let's go over here and look at these hats. Why is my dad not coming? Let's go back and get my dad. I don't even think this has sound. Oh, jewelry. They're still talking. Check for books.
Like scary. Oh, we lost.
Yeah.
What do you think about the hats?
They're okay, I wouldn't remember.
Okay.
Looks like.
Madeline,
Today.
Yeah, we should all
pose
we can
for
take a
the
picture in
picture.
We got a camera.
She wants
be in front because I'm short.
cheese.
Wait, I don't know where to look. Oh yeah, at the camera. Are you
This necklace.
getting the
Madeline's a
jewelry?
I like this necklace.
I like these bracelets.
These are pretty cutie patootie as well.
The map is cool too.
Mount Hood. Don't care about Mount
Don't care about
Hood.
Mountain Hood.
I live there. It's not that great.
Beautiful pictures.
They have some gold rings.
Oh, there's ear cuffs.
Yep. Look at the bead rings. That would not go through my person.
No, it's a cuff.
Oh.
So you put it like.
What is this? Original?
I don't know,
Gotta
but
get a
that's pretty darn
close-up.
cool. I want
They're all
that
they're bird
right
dogs.
there. That's beautiful. Right. Got some incense.
Want one?
Free.
Sachet.
Free session.
What's that shit?
I don't know. Sachet away.
Oh my god, there's
The
a
bottle opener's sad.
Yeah.
Pretty
How's it
cool.
going? Good.
Colorful. Good summer
It's a little big though. Oh, this looks like a little surfboard.
Handmade. Taylor.
Look at these.
All right, let's get the
2 people, $50. Bob Marley.
Rhodes and
Guy
Potter.
Fieri.
It's a cookbook.
Oh, they have Sound of Music. My mom.
Portland Republic of Beer. Yes.
Dad.
Mugwump.
Dad.
And like records. These records.
Judy Garland.
Oh, here's Paul McCartney. Paul McCartney.
Sound of Music.
There you go. This is what you need to add. Put this on video, the whole thing slowly, so she can read it.
Let it go and take action. I'm not reading it.
Yeah, this,
So you know what that means? You know what weeding is, right? And you know what fucks are when you care about something?
Your opinions.
It means don't give a fuck. Get rid of all of your cares.
Okay.
your pears.
Your cares.
Oh.
Get rid of all your pears.
Dad.
What did you choose to pick? Do you see any bucks growing in my garden?
Nope.
Fuck yeah. That's awesome.